Earth versus Uranus. Exploring the impossible cosmic collision. Imagine this: Earth hurtling through space, set on a collision course with Uranus. A disaster that could spell the end for life as we know it. But how likely is this cosmic nightmare? Welcome to the Universe Buzz. Today, we're exploring a mind-bending scenario. What would it take for Earth to collide with Uranus? From the immense energy required to disrupt planetary orbits to the effects of a black hole or nearby star disrupting our solar system, we'll break down what science says about this catastrophic possibility. Let's dive in. The scale of this hypothetical collision. To understand how Earth could ever collide with Uranus, we first need to wrap our minds around the distance and size differences between these two planets. Show animations or visuals of both planets and their orbits. Uranus is about 19 times farther from the Sun than Earth and has a mass 14.5 times greater than ours. Moving Uranus or Earth enough to make them collide is a feat that would require an unimaginable amount of energy. Energy that's essentially impossible to generate without a major cosmic disturbance. The energy required for orbital displacement. Here's where the physics really kick in. For Earth and Uranus to change their orbits and meet in a catastrophic collision, we'd need a force strong enough to disrupt their paths. This isn't just a little nudge. We're talking about enough energy to move entire planets out of their stable orbits. Scientists estimate that only a major event, like the passing of a massive black hole or a close encounter with another star, could create enough gravitational disruption to make this even remotely possible. Visualize gravitational forces tugging on planets. Possible outcomes. Before a collision. If something massive were to disturb our solar system, Earth would likely be kicked out of its orbit long before any collision. Show Earth drifting away from the Sun. In this case, we'd either be pulled too close to the Sun, causing extreme heat and likely turning Earth into an uninhabitable wasteland. Or we could be flung further out, away from the Sun's warmth, where we'd enter a frozen state, losing sunlight and warmth. Either scenario would devastate life on Earth long before we even approached Uranus. What would a collision look like? If Earth and Uranus did somehow collide, the event would be beyond catastrophic. Show simulated collision between Earth and Uranus. Uranus's sheer size and mass would likely obliterate Earth entirely, with any surviving debris possibly merging into Uranus's atmosphere or scattering throughout space. Such a collision would create shockwaves and impact events that would permanently alter the solar system. Outro and final thoughts. While a collision between Earth and Uranus is a fascinating concept, it's also virtually impossible without a colossal cosmic event. Still, exploring these hypotheticals helps us understand the delicate balance of our solar system and the incredible forces that keep our planets in place. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic what-if scenario, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other space mysteries you'd like us to explore.